No? No,
no,
no need.
that's
No need.
gonna go.
No need. No need. That's enough. That's enough. You can hold, make a finger lock, and just keep stretch. The same thing I told in the beginning. Go for the hyper flexibility. You can drop it. The neck position.
You can try maybe.
Chetna, come. Use the same way. Okay, take one more step is okay. No, you already take one more is okay. Give her one the same way. You know, we are giving you two strips.
You have to perform good.
Indians are so kind, you know. Good. Now you just try to go down with the strap. Yes, good. You leave her. Now you leave her. She will do by her own. Good. So now this is all your own practice. Elbow closer, just try. Good. Okay, good. Relax it. Please give a clap for her. Because it depends on the flexibility, so I'm not sure like. Yes. You can breathe. सांस आ रहा है? Very good. सांस को रोकना नहीं है और जा भी है. Good. Try to elbow closer. You can feel the difference when you elbow closer and when you elbow apart. Okay, time up. Wait. She is so excited to do same like Chetna. So he's getting an enough spot for a spine, not sinking, even she can enjoy here. Good. Come on, time up. Wrong practice. Understand? Just come on, step by step. Just sit down. I'm just showing you the level. This is not like I just want to show up. I say just the practice by practice you can reach on that level. Because if you are on the beginning level this time, so straight away you want to jump here, so this is not the good way to reach on this practice. Yes.
प्रेशर आता है इसमें जैसे अगर स्ट्रेट ना कोर ब्लॉक नी पे प्रेशर आएगा क्या?
धीरे धीरे जाना. First because just to focus on your hip stretch first. Then slowly. One time maybe you will do it, so maybe it will be the pressure can come on your knee. So that's why I say that you have to go step by step.
Sir, you are blessed.
Thank you very much. My pleasure. Okay, downward facing dog. Very nice. Done?
No picture are taken yet.
What rank? More or enough?
Super.
So tomorrow we do.
Please. Put lap on your shoulder. If maybe somebody they can't do it, they are just nearby. Yes. So you can also practice like that. So two students can practice together and they can do the spot.
Very nice.
Maybe she don't need, but somebody they need so they can practice like this. Come on, last 5 minutes. Come on, everybody.